Hello, good morning. How are you today? Back again with me, Fadila Nesha Artamirieva, who will deliver some reliable information has been prepared for you, namely. The government continues to accelerate the second phase of the coronavirus 19 vaccination, in addition to elderly citizens and the public duties until religious leaders have started being vaccinated. The government is racing against time to speed up the vaccination program by establishing communal immunity against the coronavirus 19 after her workers, traders, and elderly citizen journalists who received vaccine injection. Last Thursday, vaccination for journalists were carried out by Gelora Bung Karno Senayan, Jakarta. Presiden Joko Widodo, accompanied by the Minister Health, the Minister of Communication and Information, and the Chairman of the Pers Council, come to inspect it in person.
Meninjau langsung.
Dan kita harapkan ini memberikan perlindungan kepada awak media, terutama yang berada di lapangan, yang sering berinteraksi dengan publik, sering berinteraksi dengan narasumber, dan ini memberikan perlindungan yang baik bagi insan pers yang pagi hari ini telah dilakukan vaksinasi. Kita berharap ini akan berjalan di provinsi-provinsi yang lain, sehingga seluruh awak media seluruh insan pers yang berada di tanah air, semuanya segera mendapatkan vaksinasi.
Journalists are included in the vaccination target because of the demand of the profession who have to interact with many people so that they are warned to be exposed to coronavirus 19 before being vaccinated. Many stages must be passed, such as medical history check. A total of more than 5,000 journalists registered to receive the coronavirus 19 vaccine in Jakarta 27 February 2020. Not only Jakarta, vaccination for journalists will also be held in the other areas, one of which is in Surabaya, East Java. The Surabaya city government organized vaccination for journalists and media crews at the Suwandi Hospital. In addition to the elderly, traders, journalists, teachers, and the educator are also the target of the second phase of the coronavirus 19 vaccine. Next June, 5 million teachers are targeted to receive vaccine injection.
Bapak Presiden mengarahkan kalau bisa kegiatan belajar mengajar ini dikaji protokol kesehatannya agar bisa bahas bersama, apakah bisa mulai atau tidak. Nah, terus terang salah satu kriterianya adalah guru harus divaksinasi. Oleh karena itu kita memprioritaskan guru sama seperti wartawan agar di tahap ini juga divaksinasi. Tapi keputusan untuk mulai atau tidaknya memang ada di Kementerian Pendidikan. Kita rencana vaksinasi guru itu selesai di bulan Juni untuk seluruh sekitar 5 juta guru di seluruh.
Vaccination for teachers are targeted for completion in June, as the Education and Culture Ministry target face-to-face school to reopen in the new school year in July. However, strict health protocol remain the main requirement for face-to-face school opening.
Tidak sekolah tatap muka, dan kami ingin memastikan bahwa kalau kita bisa menyelesaikan vaksinasi ini sampai dengan akhir bulan Juni, tahun ajaran berikutnya di bulan Juli bisa insya Allah sudah melakukan proses tatap muka walaupun dengan protokol kesehatan yang masih dijaga, tapi kita sudah bisa mulai melatih kebiasaan baru melakukan tatap muka dengan protokol kesehatan yang lebih baik.
In Makassar, Sulawesi, teacher vaccination is planned to start in early March. 12,000 teachers in Makassar City have been recommended to receive the coronavirus 19 vaccine. Besides that, interfaith leaders are also targeted for the second phase of the coronavirus vaccination. Starting on Tuesday last week, thousands of religious leaders have undergone mass vaccination at the Istiqlal Mosque, Gambir, Central Jakarta. Religious leaders have told the vaccination community to protect all Indonesians from coronavirus 19. Vaccination for religious leaders is also carried out simultaneously in the regions. Those who have been vaccinated also still have to maintain health protocol because their immunity to the corona-19 virus has only been formed for at least 3 weeks. In addition to the second dose of vaccine injection, the Ministry of Health is targeting 16.9 million community workers, including religious leaders, and 21.5 million completed by the end of May 2021 in Makassar, South Sulawesi. That's all from me. Thank you and see you in the focus on the next news.